Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you your different options for adding an image into an IHUBApp page or post. I'm going to show you just using a post, but the procedure is exactly the same in a page. So I've just created a sample page in my post, a sample post in my post area. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit that, and this is going to open up the post creation area. So to add an image, you're going to click on the down arrow here for the card style, and you're going to click on image, and that's going to pop up this image box, and you're going to click on select image. One of the beautiful things about the IHUBApp is it has stock photos built in, so you don't have to go to a third-party source for any of your stock photos if that's what you want to use on your page or post. So you just simply come here to this box and you type in the keyword for what you're looking for, search through your options, and you're going to choose the one that you want. So you just click on that, and it's going to automatically put itself into this standard IHUBApp image size, which is 1600 pixels wide and 900 pixels tall. Now I want to show you really quick, fairly recently, one of the upgrades the IHUBApp team has done is enable us to use different size images for our pages and posts. So in the beginning, they only allowed this standard size. This is that 1600 by 900 size. But now you can choose square images, taller images, and so it gives your feed kind of more of that Pinterest look, which I really like. It breaks up the monotony. So you can see here, this is a graphic image that I created in Canva. Because I want it to be really clear on my blog that this is a new post. So I'm going to show you how to upload your own image instead of using a stock photo. So you're going to come here to the same area, and instead of typing in your search term here, you're going to click on add photo, and it's going to take you to your computer. I'll double click on just one from one of my other blogs, and you'll see it uploads. This one happened to be a square image. It automatically uploads it and puts it in its square format in your post. So it's as easy as that. As I mentioned, this is from the builder area, but you can do this from your mobile device, your tablet or your phone. As long as you're logged in to your IHUBApp, you can do all the things that you can do in the builder directly from the app on your mobile device. So that's it. It's super easy. If you aren't already on Canva, I suggest you go check it out. They have a free plan where you get, I believe it's like 1 million free stock photos. But again, you'd only need to use Canva if you're creating an image with, say, text on it, like I did here, where I wanted to add text on it. If you're just adding a straight stock photo, there's no need to leave IHUBApp. But if you do want to create these type graphics, images for your posts or pages, go to Canva, check it out. You start with their free plan, play around with it, and then if you want to, their pro plan is super affordable and it ups your abilities like crazy. So you can do all sorts of things in Canva with the pro plan, and it's very affordable. But again, for straight images, stock images are built in to the IHUBApp, and you can easily upload your own. That's it. If you have any questions, my contact info is in the description below. You definitely want to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about the IHUBApp, and check out my hub called hubmama.ihub.app. All of this information is in the description below. That's it. Thanks for being here today. Bye.